Guys, today let's learn how to embed the YouTube video into Microsoft Excel and also in Microsoft PowerPoint. So for this example, I am choosing the KGF trailer 2. I'm sure you must have watched the trailer. So what I'm going to do is I will try to bring this video into Microsoft Excel in few simple steps. So without much delay, let's get started. So the first and foremost thing you need to do is you need to go to insert and then store. So we are going to import a software or an application for Microsoft Excel. So in the search window, just type web video and you'll see on the top you'll have web video player which you need to add, and click on continue, and this will take some while. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to the video, copy the URL, come back to Excel and then paste the video, and you can set the video as well. There you go, and you have the video ready. So you can move around and play with it like you want. You can, if you want to resize, you can resize the video, and you also have a format option as well where you can pick and choose. You can change the format of the text box or the length and width based on your requirements. So now this is done in Excel. So let's switch over to the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, I have my Microsoft PowerPoint open. I'm going to change the layout to blank, and I'll perform the same steps. Click on insert and then store, and then look for the software web video. Wait. So we have already installed this application in Microsoft Excel. Do we need to do the same thing in PowerPoint? Well, the answer is no, because if you have installed anything in any of your Microsoft product, it can be your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, that remains in all the applications related to Microsoft. So if this is already installed, how do I navigate to that, or how do I verify if that is already installed? So whatever application you have installed, it will be appearing in My Apps section. So if I click on My Apps, there you go. I already have web video player. I need not install this again, right? So all I need to do is just double click on that, wait for a few seconds. While that's loading, copy the URL, come back to the PPT, paste it over here, and then set video. And you're all set. So let's play. I can forward this as well. It works the same way as it works in any YouTube video. Okay, let me pause this. Okay, and let's assume you don't have this add-in installed in your Microsoft PowerPoint. Well, you need not panic. So there is an alternative way where we can import the YouTube video in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's learn that. I'm going to create a new slide, and in the insert ribbon, if you come to the extreme right, you will have an option called video. Click on that and you can choose online video or video on my PC. Since we want to stream it online, so I'm going to click online video. There you go. It's asking for an YouTube URL, search YouTube. Well, when it says search YouTube, even if you put the entire URL of the video, this might not give you the exact result, because it works in a like algorithm where it does the wildcard character of looking for a like content. So let me see how does it work. I'm going to copy the entire URL, come here, paste it and search. So if I start searching, so as you can see, there are a lot of things that came out. So I'm not sure which one of these is a real video, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick any one of them. Let's say this video, it says one item selected and then insert. Okay, I got something out here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on play. Okay, it's showing me the thumbnail. So if I click on this play button,
अभी मैं इसका सरप्राइज बोलूं.
Okay, so some video is playing, but it's working out. So the intention is to have the any of the YouTube video getting played in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.